You said when you looked at my work, you said it was to this and to that. What exactly did you mean by that? Color or paint? Photographs or canvases? You said my blue was too deep. Well, Rennie, just give me about 2 weeks, and I'll fix that precious fucking blue that you want. And we'll sell the shit out of it, right? Ladies and gents, here's the perfect fucking blue for your buck. And I like to thank my critics on how I pick my colors. It's to get your money. I mean, that's why we have those papers and magazines, right? For your money. See, Rennie, I'm just an artist. Not a critic with no artistic element. So, you can keep what you said, or forget you ever said it. Because I don't give a shit. Everyone have a good night. Especially you, Rennie.